Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact Jukebox model and token control extension installed. This ensures compatibility. Load the tokenizer and token index mapping so you can reference token ID directly. Next, prepare your prompt text and any conditioning audio or MIDI for the target phrase. This gives the model something concrete to anchor to. Once done, set your desired output length and sampling temperature so the token control will operate predictably when you apply constraints. You now map the words or musical motifs to token ID and decide where they should appear. Absolute positions lock tokens to time steps, while relative positions follow structure. Then configure allowed, forced, and banned token lists. Use weights to bias sampling rather than hard blocking when you want flexibility. Make sure to set constraint windows and a strength parameter so the sampler respects context. This balances adherence versus creative continuation and prevents jarring discontinuities later. You run the constrained sampler and immediately save intermediate token sequences so you can inspect where constraints affected output. Decode tokens back to audio and listen critically. If target phrases sound clipped or repeated, iterate by reducing constraint strength or widening windows. If constraints completely fail, relax hard bands to soft penalties and restart sampling. One useful troubleshooting tip: if patterns collapse, widen windows by 10 to 30% and lower weight values, so the model.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.